think whenever you go anywhere, a sari always makes you look well dressed.
Whenever I go to airport, I make it sure कि साड़ी पहनना है.
Look at me and say, how can you be a doctor and wear flowers?
So very good evening and happy Mother's Day, and to everybody here. I think we all are mothers. Yeah. So first of all, thank you so much for making time for this event, and this means a lot to me. So House of Sudesi, I started a year ago, and for those who do not know, I am the founder of House of Sudesi, which is a handloom sari brand. I'm also the founder of Dreamweb India, which is a digital marketing agency. And the roundtable discussion today that we are here for, as well as the workshop, is quite interesting. And I would like this to be very insightful, very entertaining, only if you all participate and make it engaging. So it's very important that I have everybody's support and participation today. The whole thing, I'll just give you a funny thing. When I was talking to my chartered accountant and I told him briefly that I'm doing a round table, he thought I'm raising funds for my company. So I told him, no, it's not that round table. This is a different one. And but I would like sponsors, after this event to come on board so that we can sustain these kind of round tables month on month and make it more engaging and bring in more topics and new speakers on board. So today we have two wonderful speakers for this roundtable. One is Dr. Geeta Prakash. She is currently working with Max Hospital in Panchsheel. And we have Preeti Gupta, who is an ardent sari lover. She's a growth manager at Nexizon, and she has been trying different draping styles with her own saris. She's an athlete, so she also runs marathons sometimes and walks in saris and does all kind of fitness in saris. So we have two wonderful ladies today to address this session. The topic is very interesting. It is called Age is not a number. It's not just a number. Stop thinking, start living. We'll have Dr. Geeta Prakash here very soon, and feel free to ask any questions to her, about her journey, and the whole idea is to learn from this session, take something back. So please welcome Dr. Geeta Prakash. Join me in welcoming her. Hello, please.
That is a long story behind it, no?
So Dr. Geeta, this video is just a very
I don't
brief.
know what it is.
Yes, it is a very brief intro about you, but more importantly, to add a few lines about you. So Dr. Geeta Prakash is vivacious. She's grace personified. From serving as an army doctor to stepping into spotlight as a model, has carved a path few would imagine. A family physician, medical consultant, and even a radio jockey who made health conversations accessible. Today, in her 70s, she is among the most sought after faces in the industry and reinvention.
I don't know about the most sought after, but most fun.
But your journey has been quite groundbreaking, and
Yes.
absolutely, and it quietly expands what is possible when you stay open to life's unexpected turns. I'm sure I have not covered it all, Dr. Geeta, about you.
I don't know what
and
you
I
said.
would no. I mean, we all
Tell me.
know from what is put up there in social media and even on the about you as where you're serving with Max Hospital and your background into army. So would you like to just
I've had actually a very checkered kind of career. I always say many hats, one person. And I think I've had the good fortune to live almost 9 lives in this one life of mine. Because I started off in a very small town. Shimla उस time बिल्कुल ही छोटा होता था. Nobody had, everyone said, it used to be the summer capital of, the army. But otherwise, nobody knew about it. It was a small town. And the only thing was, my mother was very certain that she wanted me to have a good education. She was a teacher, she was a maths teacher, and she was also a musician. So she, उस time FA करते थे, so she had done maths and music. And I used to tell her, ये क्या combination होता है? And she said, you know, there is a method in the madness. Because maths and music is all very mathematical. So I knew neither maths nor music, and I said, ये मेरे को नहीं समझ. And she said, तेरा सुर ठीक है, तू गाया कर. And we just grew up listening to her. But from Shimla, it was the first year that they had opened medical college there. वहाँ मेरी एक friend होती थी who could not play with us because she had a hole in her heart. So every time she wanted to play, वो बिल्कुल blue हो जाती थी. Her heart couldn't pump. They sold all their property and money and got her operated by Danton Cooley, who was one of the first heart surgeons there was. वो वापस आई बिल्कुल pink. I couldn't believe it कि ये कैसे हो गया, you know. She would play with us and things like that. That's when I decided, यार एक भगवान है ऊपर, एक डॉक्टर है नीचे, and this is what I want to do with my life. So my mother, fortunately, I have two elder brothers who are mathematicians. एंड मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं आता था, सो आई सेड मैं मेडिसिन कर लेती हूँ, मेरे को ये मैथ्स के चक्कर में मत डालो. सो कॉलेज हैड जस्ट स्टार्टेड, मेडिकल कॉलेज इन शिमला, बट आई सेड वहाँ नहीं मैंने करना, आई वांट टू गो आउट. आई वाज ऑलवेज वांटिंग टू एक्सप्लोर थिंग्स. सो फॉर्चुनेटली आई गॉट इनटू आर्म्ड फोर्सेस मेडिकल कॉलेज, which was one of the most beautiful experiences. I think I was about 17 when I left, and I think we were 22 when we graduated. I think that was our real learning experience, because you know, you grew up in that time, you meet people from different backgrounds. Most of them were from the services. So they used to ask me, तेरे को कैसे admission मिली? मैं कहती थी मैं backdoor entry हूँ ऐसे ही. So I was just lucky that I got in. But you know, they really made you into a full person. It was a completely, you know, you had to stay there, you couldn't be day scholars. So जो भी आपका skills होते थे, that is what they looked at. If you could sing, or you were dramatics, or you could write well, the seniors used to drag you to get the potential out of you. कि अच्छा इसको ये आता है, इसको ये आता है. So I think that's when we really grew up. You know, playing sports, playing hockey. I used to play a lot of hockey in college, used to be athletic. Then I decided to join the Forge, which was another very scary thing. Simla में बोलते थे to my mother कि कैसा बच्चा तूने पैदा किया है, who joins the Forge? कभी लड़कियाँ भी फौज में जाती हैं. But poor thing, she sort of always took my side and said इसको करने दो जो करती है, she won't listen to anyone. So I was lucky I got into the Forge, and then of course I met my husband who was from the same college but he had joined the Navy. तो हमारी लड़ाई होती थी, वो कहता था गोवा चल, मैं कहती थी शिमले चल, because we were totally different, you know. But that was one part of my life when coming to Delhi, children growing up, the usual. Then I was lucky because there was one, they asked me to come on a show. एक वो म्याओ करके एक चैनल होता था, I don't know if any of you heard it. It was 104.8 FM, and they said come as a guest. I went as a guest, and then they decided that you just start running your own show. So I became a radio jockey for 3 years. वो live dial-in show होता था. You know, that is when I realized that women want to talk about their problems and they don't know how to. उनको समझ नहीं आती कि if I say तो मेरा नाम आ जाएगा, मेरा, you know, how will they react? How will people react? So this was an anonymous thing. You could dial in and say any name and ask any question. तो वो एक घंटे में मेरे almost 60 callers होते थे who would say, you know, my husband is doing this, or my wife is, you know, my mother is like this, or my father drinks, or anything. It was anonymous. I think that was a very big thing. And then, like I said, I did Punjabi TV because that is something which interested me. So it was another medical issue thing on मैं की करा. बस फिर after that there was this one person who used to sit outside my office every day, one foreign photographer. मैं कहती थी तू इधर क्यों आके बैठता है रोज? He said, I like looking at you. You have a good aura. I like the look of your head. मैंने कहा हम सबके सिर एक जैसे होते हैं. But you know, it was so funny. He said, no, I want to shoot with you. And that's when I shot my first one with Tarun Tehliani. It was such a big name, and हमको तो पता ही नहीं था. हम लोग अपने from our rooms we never looked out. You just saw patients and came. But that was my first exposure, and it was so exciting, you know, to just see these beautiful faces, not bimar people, just, you know, people who are looking good and who dress beautifully. So I think that is what was a little bit of an attraction. कि ये बड़ा सुंदर लगता है, the whole thing. So I think that's how I stepped into that, and now I'm trying to balance both things, you know. First it was balancing career and children, like all of you must have done some time or the other. हम सब ने ये किया हुआ है it's nothing great. The only thing is that it's come more into limelight because at 57 I started modeling. उस time कोई senior model नहीं होती थी. अब तो there are lots of people who have come into the modeling scene. You know, younger people with grey hair. Earlier they used to say, तू मोटी भी है, तू बुड्ढी भी है, तेरे बाल भी सफ़ेद हैं. How can you be modeling, you know? But it's very good. I feel in a way, you know, it's been like a game changer. So I think that is what is exciting mostly.
This is exactly
So
the
that
reason
is my
why I
story.
called you in. You know, stories like this, we
Yeah.
don't get to hear. मतलब ये जो छोटे nuances हैं about, you know, people and their lives and how they have come and transformed or evolved through, you know, times is something that only a person who has lived it can tell. Nobody else will otherwise know.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
I'm grateful you're sharing these
But I think
nuggets of
all of us,
information.
there's
But,
nothing
yeah.
special about me. Everybody is special. I always feel that, and everyone's got their little stories to tell. You know, this is what I always say. हम जब बुढ़े हो जाते हैं ना, they say you have so many lines on your face. I always say each line has a story, and I have so many stories to tell. So I think all of us who are sitting here, everybody has some kind of a story that you've been through, or some emotional, upheaval you've been through, which pushes you into a direction which takes place. So it's nothing great. It's just that because we are a little bit in the limelight, तो सब बोलते हैं अरे वाह अरे वाह. There's no अरे वाह. We are all the same basically. I think, and happy Mother's Day first of all.
Happy Mother's Day.
So I think as mothers we are the ultimate. In fact, अभी वो एक shoot मैंने किया था, I've just put it on, where you have Chat GPT and you have mother, who mother knows best. And there's some question they're asking and they say, I'm sick of working, I'm only a girl. And Chat GPT says something, and I say, shut up. All you need to do is to get married, then you'll be only a wife. The mother answers back to Chat GPT. So I just feel mothers are the most, मैं कहती हूँ आप लोग fulcrum होते हो of the family. The family rests on you. जरा सा आप इधर को लुढ़क जाते हो तो सारी फैमिली गिर जाती है. इधर को बीमार हो जाते हो, थोड़ा सी भी बीमार होते हो तो एवरीबडी गेट्स सिक. सो विच इज़ व्हाई आई थिंक मदर्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड एंड यू मस्ट अप्रिशिएट योरसेल्व्स फॉर दैट. दैट इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट.
So Geeta, I also am curious to know that we all look in a certain way. Like I've been wearing these spectacles for a very long time, or keeping my hair open. So do you think that the way you look in a certain way also carves your identity, and people know you, as a person with that?
Yeah.
So they may not know Dr. Geeta as a name, but they will
Exactly.
say that lady who is looking
Who wears
this
a
way.
long bindi and has flowers in her hair.
So-
Because that is my identity. Because I've been wearing flowers in my hair since I was 15. शिमला में तो वहीं से गार्डन में से निकाल के फूल टांगते थे. But my mother used to wear flowers. I think you absorb a lot from your parents, no? Or from the people around you. You get the goods of everybody, है ना? And try and keep away the bads.
But I also feel that people, due to age, maybe because of age, or maybe also because of life situations or change in job, they also want to change their identity by the way they look. So if you are a teacher, or if you're a doctor, or a certain profession,
Preeti, I don't
So-
know, because a lot of people used to look at me and say, how can you be a doctor and wear flowers? I mean, you're going to a hospital. I said, so what? I'm Geeta first, na? फिर मैं बाकी चीज़ें बनती हूँ. पहले तो मैं गीता हूँ. गीता तो फूल पहनती है. गीता तो बिंदी भी लगाती है. And so I think it's how you absorb things, and it becomes you. And you are the best at being you. You shouldn't copy anybody, because you can take, like, I love what she's wearing. I love what you are wearing. I love the way you look. That I can absorb into myself. But what I am. So the other thing was, I used to, when I got married, my mother-in-law told me to सिर्फ साड़ियाँ पहनेंगी. I don't want you to wear these trousers. I used to be very scrawny. तो ट्राउज़र और वो कुर्ती सी, हम लोग उस टाइम खादी वॉज इन, तो खादी के कुर्ते जाके हम खरीदते थे. एक वो खादी का बैग लेके घूमते थे. दैट वॉज द इन थिंग टू डू. इन थिंग बिकॉज इट वॉज कन्वीनियंट. Then I was suddenly exposed to only sarees. So Bombay, you only wore cottons and you wore kolhapuris. फिर मैं आई दिल्ली, where everyone wore chiffons and diamonds and heels, and they looked at me and said, ये कहाँ से आ गई है गरीब सी, kind of. And it's just that, and then you get your own, people used to wear a lot of this synthetic clothes. We had never worn, we only wore cottons in Bombay. So I used to say, ये तो मेरे को आता ही नहीं है पहनना, मेरे पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं ऐसा. And Mama would look at me and say, तेरे पास शिफॉन की भी साड़ी नहीं है. I had those chignons. My mother actually came from Kashmir. वहाँ पे वो चिनॉन बहुत पहनते थे. So I had these thin check वाला चिनॉन के थान था मेरे पास. I had it cut into 4 sarees, dyed it, printed it, and I said, अब देखो अब मैं अच्छी लगती हूँ ना. So it's just, you know, how. And then I broke my foot. I had gone to Bhutan and I was coming down the Pakdandi और वहाँ से एक आ रहा था साइड से and he fell against me और मेरा fracture हो गया उधर. When I came back, I couldn't wear a sari. That's when I started wearing trousers. When I used to go to work, everyone used to look at me and say, Dr. Geeta, where are your sarees? I said, जरा नीचे भी देखो मेरा पैर में प्लास्टर लगा हुआ है. But I think even then, even now, though I do wear other trousers and stuff, I think whenever you go anywhere, a sari always makes you look well dressed. Now I work in 4 places. I work at Max. I work with Indian Institute of Mass Communication, where I look after the girls' hostel. I work with India International Center, where I look after all the employees and others as well. And I work with Standard Chartered Bank. And I run a small charitable clinic at home. तो कई बार ऐसे लगता है कि यार ट्राउज़र पहनो, एक शर्ट पहनो, you're okay. But you never feel well dressed. तुम कैसी भी साड़ी पहनो, you always look good. कोई भी हो, मोटा, पतला, बूढ़ा, young, anyone, everyone looks gorgeous in a sari. So, and also my mom used to wear saris. You know, that's what I'm saying. My mother was my rock star. I always say that. She just was the most feminine, gorgeous woman. She was hardly 4 feet tall. She used to take only senior classes. तो वो एक स्टूल पे खड़े होके पढ़ाती थी. कहती थी पीछे मुझे नहीं दिखाई देता, सारे बदमाश पीछे बैठे होते हैं. And she used to wear saris always. They were always silk saris. And she used to wear chota prints. So I used to tell her, why don't you wear something with a big border? She said, "Leh, I'm so short myself, the big border, I'll get lost in it. Big print, you won't see me, you'll only see prints." So I mean, you are, like I said, we take a lot from our parents, you know.
I think this is one question I would like to also ask all of you here, anybody who's interested to answer. Any particular thing about you, whether it is a bindi or a flower or a bangle, कुछ ऐसी बात, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ that you feel that it's a part of your identity and आप इसको तो आप नहीं remove कर सकते, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, या अगर for whatever reasons you've had to remove it from your life, just because you know now you're not working, अब आप घर पे हो, something like that. So anybody who's interested in saying something, ऐसा कुछ?
Yeah. Yes.
Always.
Yeah.
Okay, that's her identity. Anybody else?
I know my grandmother would have been shocked that I don't have anything in this hand. But I did lose my husband about 9 years ago. So I stopped wearing bangles. And we always wore bangles, you know. And he used to say, कितना शोर मचाती है, जब तू अंदर आती है पहले छन छन घन भन ढड़ंग, you know, you hear before you come.
I think it's more than bangles. It's also what I will show now in the video. कि जो चीज़ें हम पीछे छोड़ देते हैं because the topic is age is just a number. Because of age जो हम छोड़ देते हैं.
I think so. So if you say, may not be all the time, but you know, if you find somebody looking good and you say, that's looking really nice, would I be able to wear that? I don't know. Achha, anyway, she's looking damn good. But I'm sure what I'm wearing looks better on me than it'll look on her. What I'm trying to say is your identity is you. Nobody else can steal it away from you. And nobody can look as good as you are in what you wear. So just wear it anyway. So sorry, I interrupted you.
No. So there are 2 kind of personalities. One who hold on to their identity part. कि you know they look a certain way. They don't want to change. अगर लंबे बाल हैं तो लंबे बाल हैं. I'll never get it cut. And then there are people who are very versatile. हर हफ्ते you see them and they are different. You know, different kind of clothing, different kind of makeup, different kind of jewelry, different kind of hairstyle. It's very hard to tell that, you know, what is her identity? What is, if I have to identify a person by the way that person looks, I will be very confused in that sense.
पहले तो बोलते थे 50 की होगी, बेटी की शादी होगी, बस बुढ़ी होगी. No, this is the time when you can actually be who you are and enjoy what you're doing. बच्चे settled हैं, कोई problem नहीं है. You can do what you want to do. And the husbands are also doing their own thing very often. You know, so now is the time when you can actually, like I've started playing the piano again. I sing again. सब बोलते हैं, my God, you've gone back to playing the piano. I said, why not? I mean, you must have something that you like to do, not what others like you to do. वो तो तुम वैसे ही करती हो, but do something you, even when you are, I feel from the time that you discover yourself, when you're 20, 21, 30, 31, 50, 51, you have to have one thing which you enjoy doing, one hobby or one. Now everything is online. People do Pilates, people do singing, people do dancing, people do painting. I had gone the other day to Triveni to see a art exhibition. Like I said, my mother was this whiz person who did everything. So she taught us a lot of art. So I went over there, they've started art classes. And there I found there were people from the age of 25 to maybe 65. Everyone was learning art. So I think you have to just every now reinvent yourself, but don't lose your identity. You are who you are, but do things which will make you feel happy and look forward to the next day. सबको लगता है अब क्या है, अच्छा जिंदगी तो जी लिए. जी ली नहीं है अभी, till you're alive, and you have to do everything you can do. I think that is what I just live by that, because nobody else is there for you.
Another part to identity is our titles. You know, by a certain age, we have worked 20, 25 years or given 35 years or even 40 years to service. So it is not just one title we hold many titles. We are wearing multiple hats. And so professional achievements, I'm sure everybody has. And they're very notable. I mean, there's something probably everybody also awards you and rewards you, through that. But as a homemaker, the achievements are not
many-fold, and they're not shown,
recognized,
not seen, not
recognized. So both as a homemaker and a doctor, would you like to tell some achievement of yours? That
achievement I don't know. I think we're all homemakers first, and then we become what we are, professionals. But everybody sort of runs down a homemaker. ये तो सिर्फ housewife. ऐसे सिर्फ को तो पहले हटा के फेंक दो. She is a housewife and she's managed everything in your house. तुम तो जाके वापस आते हो and everything is laid on. It's not, though now I find the boys are working a little bit towards it. But by and large, I must tell you one thing. There was this husband who used to tell his wife every day, ये क्या करती हो तुम? करती तो हो नहीं, the whole day of just lounging around. And then one day he went to work and came back and he found there was a mess on the floor. The kids were bawling. The khana was lying half-eaten. There were, things in the sink, and it was just horrible. And he said, "Oh God, what's happened?" So he went running in to see what had happened to his wife, and she was sitting there with one leg across and she was reading a book. So he said, "What's happened to you?" She says, "Today I did what you say. I did nothing." That's when he realized that, the amount of work that goes into putting the family together is maximum. The only thing is you don't come on billboards, you don't come in newspapers, but you are the ones who are really keeping that family together. I always say, don't ask for good sons, ask for good daughters-in-law. They are the ones who make or break your home. So I think this is something, my grandmother, like I said, came from Kashmir. She was Chauthi Jamaat pass, as she told me. She said, I failed nahi hui si. She got married at 12 years. To my grandfather, who was 21 and the first Indian to become an officer in the British Railways. This maths tradition comes on. We are Todermal family, they say. He went to Bristol University at that time, they sent him. So he was brilliant. So what did Badi Mama do? Besides having children, she used to go to the garden every day with a comb and a nail cutter. And all the children who were there, she used to cut their nails and she would do this. And so somebody asked her, why do you do this? She said, I tell them, agar tum saaf muh haath dho ke aoge, to I'll give you biscuits. And within 3-4 months, those children were so well cleaned, not well dressed in the sense they wore whatever. Muh haath dho ke fatafat they should come running ki biscuit milenge. My mother, after she retired, did the same thing. She just taught with all the help ka children around. I run a charitable clinic at home, which started only for the help in Defence Colony. So every year what I do is, जो भी पैसे मेरे बनते, now a lot of the fancier people come because they don't want to come to the hospital. But जितने भी पैसे मिलते हैं, what I try to do, see, everybody asks me, what do you do? What's a big deal in you? There's no big deal. But this is something I learned from my grandmother and my mother. So every year I do one set of vaccinations. अभी DPT लगाएं तो जो बच्चे आते हैं फ्री में सबके वैक्सीनेशन लगा, फ्री में नहीं. You have to pay for 100 rupees. Otherwise they have no respect. They feel पता नहीं कहाँ से ये लेके ऐसे ही लगा रही है. So they play half and I pay maybe or 3/4 I pay whatever. But you asked me now, what is the balance? What do I enjoy? Being on a billboard, Actually, I've never seen a single one. You won't believe it because half the time you're answering questions and things. My children have. For me, it's a big thing if they appreciate it. But this is what really keeps me going because I started when I used to charge $2. Now I'm up to charging 100 रुपए मैं लेती हूँ. But वो जो भी पैसे होते हैं, I use it for the people who come. So I think this is something that gladdens your heart. So I'm sure all of you do it in your own little way. You know, somebody पढ़ाते हैं, कई help करते हैं. You know, I find a lot of the people who are working in the house, उनका I see, you know, उनके tests करवा देते हैं हर साल, things like that. So I feel if you can do something like this, it's like giving back. We are fortunate. We have so much gratitude we have कि भाई हमारे पास सब कुछ है. We come from, you know, सिर पे छत है and खाना है खाने को, as they say. But I think this is something that really touches your heart. So very often they used to tell me तुम सिर्फ 2 रुपए लेती हो, क्या है ये? And you know, I used to look after UNHCR में वो अफगान वो होते थे अफगान रेफ्यूजीज़. वो एक नान लेके आते थे, 2 रुपए का होता था. कहते थे हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है, तुम एक नान खा लो. I was thrilled. मैं कहती थी रोटी नहीं बनानी पड़ेगी. बच्चा is come and eat. Here's the sabzi, here's the naan, eat. You know, I mean things like that. But I just think this is something which has, I still do it. And now I'm 71 and everyone looks at me and says, इतनी बुढ़ी हो गई क्यों काम करती है? And I say, the day I get up and say I don't want to work, I'm going to quit. But I think if we are working and doing a little bit, the housemakers, homemakers I call them, not housewives, homemakers, they are the ones who work the hardest. उनका तो कभी holiday नहीं होता है ना. हम बोलते हैं हम काम पे जा रहे हैं अभी, अच्छा बाद में देखेंगे.
No, in fact, in my conversation with you the other day, we were talking that for homemakers, all the time, you know, as mothers, we are chasing कि बच्चों के marks आए, बच्चों की admission हो, बच्चों का अच्छा लगे. And for them, the achievement so-called is कि an admission in a Ivy college or an admission in some IIT or IIMs, and they're very happy because for them it is that certificate which is a sign of
that they have done
their
well.
labor, their work has paid off, and that is an achievement for a homemaker. But I was just in conversation with Dr. Geeta, you know, having this discussion. What about the small achievements that we get? We are also waiting. We are also having expectations of our kids to, you know, give us validation in some form or the other, or appreciate us in some form or the other. So that also counts as an achievement. It's not just about a certificate that your child brings back home.
You know, Preeti, also I think we should appreciate them when they do something good.
Yeah.
That is when they learn to appreciate us. You know, I remember when my son was born, I was 88 kilos. I couldn't fit into anything. I used to look like those huge women walking down. And I remember I had to go to, he must have been about 3 and I had to go for a wedding. मुझे कोई ब्लाउज ही ना फिट आए, बड़े हमने यहाँ सेफ्टी पिन लगा के किसी तरह से पहन के साड़ी पहनी. And you know, it was the first time he saw me dressed. He looked at me and said, "You're the most beautiful mama in the world." I just burst into tears. I said, I was feeling so miserable कि इतनी मोटी हो गई हूँ, कोई फिट नहीं आता, कहाँ जाऊँगी शादी पे, क्या करेंगे? And then this little child comes and says. So I think what you say is so true. When a child appreciates something that you do, it's, I think, the most touching thing that can happen. I think it's the most appreciated thing in your life. You know, because you feel, I must have done something right. That, you know, these children are turning around and saying this to you. So I think that is a very natural sort of a response to anything like this, you know. Like my daughter always calls me, "Hi, ugly Betty." So I say, yeah, that's okay. They send me these terrible videos of me sleeping with my mouth open. This is Happy Mother's Day, by the way. No fanciness, मैं बता दूँ. ऐसे सोए मुँह खुला हुआ है, and they say, "This is my mother." So I'm just saying, you know, it's a fun thing to be able to have some kind of connect with your children, which also was something my mother taught me and I've hopefully taught my children. She used to say, I used to tell her, you know, party हो रही है घर में, लोग भरे हुए हैं, बच्चे बोलते come and tuck me into bed. What nonsense! अभी सो जाओ तुम चुप करके, 11 साल के हो गए हो. She used to say, तुम्हारे बच्चे will be yours forever. The people who come and go in your house will disappear. So take that 10 minutes out to put them into bed and wish them good night. And now I see my daughter doing it to my granddaughter, and I just realize how important it is to connect with that child. क्योंकि उस time होता है उनका सारा दिन खत्म होता है. They want to tell you, you know what happened, Mama? This is what happened. So I'm just saying, you know, this is a connect that only mothers can have. Fathers don't have this connect. They may have something with the boys, I don't know. But I think mothers are the ultimate. Nari Shakti Zindabad. It's really a very happy kind of a relationship we have with our children. We should just nurture it as
And I
much as
believe your
possible.
inspiration has also been your own mother.
Only
and
my mum.
that you
She
spoke
was
of.
amazing.
Yeah.
You know, we come from a family where we were only 4 sisters and the rest were all brothers. So my father's family used to say, BA karao aur shadi karao. I used to say, ना मैंने BA करनी, ना मैंने शादी करनी है, मैं डॉक्टर बनना है. So she fought tooth and nail to send me. और उस टाइम शिमला से कालका, कालका से दिल्ली, दिल्ली से बॉम्बे, बॉम्बे से पूना 4 ट्रेन बदली करनी होती थी. I never had any reservation. I said I'll go unreserved, doesn't matter. उस टाइम वो hold all होते थे बिस्तरे बंद and a tin trunk. I remember so clearly. I was 17 years old and I took this tin trunk and thing, managed to change my trains and reached. They looked at me and said, you passed everything, but you need a local guardian to sign. I was 17 years old from Shimla, which was like a gaon. I had 12 rupees in my pocket. And I didn't know whom to ask because I had no local guardian. और सब फौजी families होती थी वहाँ पे. We were only 2 people who were not from the forge. So I sat on the steps and cried. The scene I can never forget. Oh, they used to oil our hair and make us wear pink ribbons as part of our ragging. And I remember sitting over there and crying कि मेरा को कौन sign करेगा? How will I go home? मेरे पास पैसे ही नहीं है. और इतनी ट्रेनें बदल के मैं कैसे जाऊँगी? And there was one boy who had gotten, whose father was, I think, a major. He walked up and he said, क्या हुआ है आपको? I said, I don't have a local guardian. Someone has to sign to say that 38 rupees every 3 months had to be paid. That has to be paid and I don't have any money. So he looked at me and said, doesn't matter, you come with me. You know, he signed my papers. And today I say it's because of him I am a doctor. Otherwise, I don't know where I would have been. As a 17-year-old gaon, they used to call me Khadu from Shimla. They used to say, isko da akal hai, na shakal hai, pata nahi kahan se aa gayi. Literally, that is what I was told all my life. And I just thought, you know, I mean, what a big-hearted man to take that responsibility. He said, it doesn't matter, you're in my son's class. Koi baat nahi. He passed away about 6 years ago. Every year, twice a year, I used to wish him once on his birthday. And once I used to send him a photograph of the children and myself and tell him what was happening. एक 6 page की चिट्ठी लिखती थी and say, this is what I've done in the whole year. When I started modeling, he was so excited, I can't tell you. So he came for one of my shoots and said, I am her foster father. I mean, if it wasn't for me, ये मेरी बच्ची इधर नहीं होती, you know. I really feel that there's so many good people, so many good humans in this world. And you just have to be lucky to meet them. So that was the story of my life, of how I actually joined AFM.
So now when you hear so much about, you know, when you relive your past
Life,
and there's
my
so
God,
many
I can't
stories,
believe it.
you actually feel that, you know, life is to be lived and lived well.
And you must live every day.
Yeah, lived every day. And you know, the other thing also, like as a doctor, you are meeting patients day in and day out, and a lot of negativity, I suppose.
That's true.
So how do you center yourself? How do you come back to?
I'm grateful that I'm still alive and I'm well enough to look after people. You know, my mom used to say, do everything. 3 things. I used to tell her, Mama, आप कभी मंदिर तो गए नहीं हो. She said, क्यों जाऊँ? You have to be a good human being, not a good pujari. She said, never hide and do anything. It's always wrong. Whatever you do, do with your heart, mind, body, soul. Otherwise, don't do it. अगर तुम ऐसे करोगी तो हमेशा अच्छा करोगी. नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं करोगी. No matter what you do, nothing half-hearted. And she used to always say, never harm anyone intentionally. तुम जो भी कर रही हो ठीक है, but intentionally किसी को दुख मत दो. नहीं तो it always comes back to you. I think that is something that I learned from her. So also, she had a very positive attitude towards life. I think I learned a lot of it from her. Though life wasn't easy, I'll tell you. I had a very good-looking, smart husband who was the ENT specialist who started the ENT department in Apollo Hospital. And he used to tell me, कुछ ढंग का तू भी कर ले तो पता चलेगा. That time I used to just rulify and do ये कर लिया, उधर कर लिया, ऐसे कर लिया, small jobs. And for 10 years, my mother, my mother-in-law and my husband were sick. And I am so grateful to my mother because she said, till you're economically independent, you're not to get married. तुम अपना देख सको और अपनी फैमिली का देख सको. And she used to say, अपनी जो education होती है ना, वो कोई नहीं ले जा सकता है. Your fortune, your fame, your husband, your everything can go. but your knowledge is your own. वो कोई नहीं उठ लेके जा सकता है. And I think because of that, I could manage those 10 years when I was really the sole breadwinner of the family. So everybody looks at me and says, "Gosh, you're so lucky, you know, you're doing this and doing." Nobody really knows the story that all of you have been through. That only you do. And I think it just makes you into a stronger person. You don't have to show anything to anybody. सब तो ऊपर ऊपर का देखते हैं ना, अंदर का तो कोई भी नहीं जानता है. तो you know who you are and you should appreciate and love that part of yourself. And in fact, I used to read this Enid Blyton की कहानियाँ नहीं हम पढ़ते थे when we were younger. So I remember I read this one story in Enid Blyton's Book of Fairies, I'll never forget, where this fellow has to go somewhere and collect some blue flower or something. And they say one thing, that every time you're angry, look around you and you will find something beautiful to appreciate. I think that is how I've lived my life. Always. I always feel something good is going to happen, no matter what. अगर कुछ भी हो गया, even when my husband was sick, I used to feel sometimes, why him? Then I used to say, why him? हम बोलते हैं तो you want somebody else to be sick? No. It gives you the courage, I think, and that time I was much younger, so I could look after everybody. But I think God gives you the strength at that time. And उस time मुझे याद है, I used to sit in the middle, and my mother-in-law was in one wheelchair, my husband used to be in one. वो TV जोर से बज रहा होता था, Sony television, because she used to like वो हनुमान जी के सीरियल and फलाने के सीरियल, all the भगवान जी का सीरियल. Then I would ask her, Mama, क्या हो रहा है? So she couldn't understand, she had dementia. She would say something. I used to ask my husband, can you understand what's happening? You know, he didn't speak for 2 years before he passed away. So it wasn't an easy time. But I used to talk non-stop. He used to always tell me, when I started talking on the radio, I remember, he used to say, I can't imagine they pay you to talk. I will give you money to shut up. So I said, don't be mean. You say, kitna bak tum karti ho. But you know, at that time, I think that is what kept me going. Just talking to them, whether they understood or not. He was in a state where I don't know whether he understood. Daddy never understood what I was saying anyway. But we had this television on and I used to chat away with them all the time. So I think everything you have to take with a fistful of salt. You know, it's going to happen. It's going to happen to all of us. God knows how we are going to go. But I think you have to just learn that ye bhi hai. You have to deal with it, so why be unhappy?
You know, Dr. Geeta, I'll take a pause here. So in this room, we are sitting with all women here are renowned.
Correct.
And they're experts in their own fields, and they are also, you know, holding very big titles.
Sure.
I think after listening to you, I want to ask
Let's
this to everybody,
how they feel and
because
how they
I
manage.
think even if we continue something like this, you know, this is also a platform. We talk about, you know,
Absolutely.
speaker opportunity है आजकल ये बहुत common है marketing में. But I think ये सब I'm not talking about jargons, marketing jargons. I'm talking about at a very humane level that, you know, each one of you have also come with some background, some story. And if we were to, you know, pass this like a pass in the parcel, you know, maybe for the next month and the month later, just how many of you would be interested to, you know, take the seat and talk about yourself? Anybody?
You
Because
should.
हम लोग
because
क्यों
this
नहीं
is
बात
a-
करते हैं? Is there, what is the...
as inspiring as
No, mine is not inspiring. मैं सच्ची बता रही हूँ. The only thing is, I've just learned to deal with everything. I've always taken it as this is one step, one phase of my life. Like Badi Mama used to say, this too shall pass. ए पता है ना तेनों, nothing lasts forever. She used to say, कुछ नहीं last करता है. Not your husband, not your love, not your anything. वो सारे झूठ कहते हैं. She used to tell me. She said, nothing lasts forever and bad times pass, so good times pass, so bad times have to pass. You know, it's not that anything is going to last. So you might as well look at the better side of it. चलो बीमार है तो बीमार है, तुम कुछ कर तो नहीं सकती हो, कर सकती हो तो करो, नहीं कर सकती हो तो आंखें बंद कर दो. Do something else which interests you, which will help them. You know, they couldn't eat, so I used to mash all the khana in 2 katoris. I used to bring it to 2 कटोरियाँ लेके आती थी. My mother-in-law would say, मेरे को वो वाली कटोरी चाहिए, उसको क्या खिला रही है तू? It would be the same, but she became like a child. She wanted to be fed first. मैं first. I used to say, he's your son, yaar. He's not my husband later. But no. So sometimes it used to, I used to say, what is this, you know? Then I realized, so we used to laugh and sing. I used to sing all kinds of songs and खिलाओ. Then I would खिलाओ him, फिर उसको सुलाओ, फिर उसको. And 3 times in the night I used to get up to change their position, because you know what nurses are like today, horrible thing to say, but you know they fall asleep, these night nurses. मुझे लगता था मैं nurse भी रखूँगी तो सारा दिन मैं ये वही सोच लूँगी उठी है कि नहीं, I might as well do it myself. Till today I get up at 12, at 3 and at 5, because I've done it for 10 years. Now it's like ingrained in you. Now what I do, अच्छा मेरे को पहले लगता क्या है, मैं एक नई नींद आती तो टीवी ऑन करके कोई पिक्चर देख लेती हूँ, फिर मुझे लगता है यार 4 बज गए, 6 बजे काम पे जाना है, बेटर गो टू स्लीप. बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, यू कैन ईदर सिट एंड क्रिब कि क्या यार हैव टू गेट अप एवरी, और यू डू व्हाट यू डू. नहीं हो तो थोड़ी सी किताब पढ़ लो, थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक सुन लो, थोड़ा सा सो लो, कुछ भी. It's your time. Nobody is there to disturb you at that time. So look at it from that point of view. It's not that I've done anything which any of you have not done. You've all looked after your families. It's just that you have to stay positive. You can't let negativity come into your home. जब भी आता है, close your eyes and let it go.
I had a wonderful opportunity actually with Dreamweb India. We did 50 interviews of inspiring women, and I had the opportunity to interview Dr. Sharda, who's with us, Garima Gulati, who's with us. So these stories, because they shared with me more than work, more than work, something about themselves, which was absolutely an eye-opener for many others. And I think we just need to look back and reflect
Reassure
in our own
ourselves.
lives. It's not about big things or you have done something
Not
big.
at all.
You know, it's just about how you have done small things differently, which nobody else has done.
And which people don't know about, so they can't appreciate. But it doesn't mean that any of you are anything less than anyone around. You are the best there is. Always remember that.
Gosh, you are so lucky. I'll start with that. Modeling. So,
That was
I
really
mean,
a joke.
yes, I mean, I have seen that in advertising, you know, you have all kind of roles of grandparents and children and mother and everything. But really to get the courage and guts to actually do modeling for fashion and lifestyle is a very different something than an advertising movie for, you know, sunflower oil and things like that.
But you know, I've started doing sunflower oil now.
Oh, I didn't know
So,
that.
no, not really.
But,
in the sense, I've just done, you know, I've realized now all these shops have become brands. You remember Lakshita used to be a choti si dukaan?
Yes.
Now it's become a huge brand. Then there was Sond when I modeled for them initially. Small little shop, now they've become a huge brand. All these Tanishq and Panera of course were. But you know, even Torani, when I did my first shoot with him, it was a chotu little thing. Now he's become larger than life. So I'm just saying everyone grows because now they feel if you are online, then you are more visible. Because people don't have the time to go shopping from one place to another. So that is another thing you were asking me the other day, that why do people shop online?
What is going in their mind? What is happening to the brain?
To the
That
brain,
is
no. I won't say there's anything wrong in that because किसी के पास time तो है नहीं, you're working women, you come back, you're scrolling, doom scrolling. In that I say, don't do doom scrolling, do park strolling instead. You know, in the sense that there's so much that you can do, but this is just because there's what else? कैसे जाओ? अकेले जाओ? गर्मी में जाओ? कैसे पहुँचो? कौन लेके आएगा वापस? There's so many things in their minds. And also, if you are sitting and there's nothing to do, you have 6 servants who are doing everything, your children have gone away, the husband is out, you're sitting alone, so what are you doing? You're scrolling. And then you say, अच्छा ये ले लेते. When you say ये ले लेते, you see another one, you say ये भी. You know, there's another one like this. So you go on with the result, you're buying things you may not even ever use. But you're just buying it because it's online and you are online. So I think that is one problem we have, that we should occupy our minds a little more. But I think it's also, it's, you know, like time pass. It's letting go of certain negative energies कि चलो और कुछ नहीं तो reel देख लो. People start watching Instagram reels, वो एक के बाद एक, you just sort of get hooked onto it. And if you watch one reel, तो वैसे 4 और reels दिखा देते. So you know, you're sort of stuck with it. So I think it's also like, if there's no, you don't read, you don't do any gardening, you don't listen to music, you don't do dancing, then you're doing this, you're shopping online.
Absolutely.
So I think
And I think with age it is even more as we are getting older.
I don't know, I've just learned how to do it. I'm guilty because I learned how to get onto the computer when I turned 50. My husband never let me touch it. He said, "Tu pata nahi ulta seedha kuch jama degi, tu ja niche khadu sing." And I used to go downstairs, I used to not know what to do. learned how to do that, and now I've learned Instagram in the last 5 years because my daughter-in-law said nobody knows what your number is. People want to contact you, they're calling me because they know I'm your daughter-in-law, we want to talk to your mother-in-law. So you better get onto Instagram. So I just learned how to do Instagram. So I mean, it's one of those things that is, I guess you have to go with the times, you know, you have to learn what to do. I mean, I'm really the illiterate. मैं ना न्यूज़ सुनती हूँ ना मेरे घर में न्यूज़पेपर आता है. मैं कहती हूँ जो कर रहे मर मुर देने दो. What is happening? What can I do? I am still the same person I am. It's like you say, the same nonsense, different day. Yeah. But in the sense that you have to move with the time. So now people ask me, net banking करते हो? First 2 minutes I said, what the hell is net banking? मैंने तो कभी सुना ही नहीं है. So when I went to the bank, they said net banking. I said no. Every month I go and write a check and I withdraw money and I use it. So I said, तुम लोग बोलते हैं मैंने इतने पैसे उसमें जमा कर दी. मैंने कहा मैंने तो एक भी नहीं देखा. मैंने तो सिर्फ ये जो 100 रुपये मेरे आते हैं हर रोज उसका मेरे को पता है हिसाब. So I'm just saying, you know, that you should move with the times. But some of us are technologically challenged like I am. I don't know too much about it.
No, absolutely.
So
we should move with the times, but we cannot roll back age. But with age also comes pain.
So this is something.
So something that I wanted to touch upon in today's session was about pain management.
So,
and you know, how can one...
pain management, Preeti, comes when you don't look after yourselves. So what normally happens on a 40-year-old is कि तुम इतने बच्चों के साथ समेटे होते हो that you don't have the time to look after yourself. But this is where I want to say how much prevention is better than cure, they say. So if you have taken your vaccinations in time, if you have got all your checkups done on time, if you're diabetic or hypertensive and you look after yourselves so that complications don't come in, then you're going to live hopefully as fit as I am when you're 70 years old. In the sense that I didn't do very much either, but if you have a cancer history in the family, make sure your mammograms are done. If you have aches and pains, make sure your bone density is done after the age of 40. If you have any family history of diabetes or high blood pressure or whatever, make sure that you do your checks. So from the time you're 40, till 40 the body will look after you. After 40, you have to look after your bodies. So make sure you're eating a proper diet. Make sure that you're walking and doing some form of exercise and that you're doing a regular follow-up. देखो 40 साल के बाद हर 2 साल में अपना follow-up करना चाहिए. All your blood tests, maybe your X-ray, maybe your ultrasound, mammogram if there is a family history, or an ultrasound of the breast, but regular checkups. Now there are so many vaccinations that's come. Everybody says हम क्यों कराएं? कुछ भी नहीं है, हमको तो कभी भी नहीं हुआ. पर तुम कभी भी 60 के तो नहीं थे ना, तुम 40 के थे. So remember that more complications come as you grow older. जोड़ों में दर्द शुरू हो जाती है, हार्ट में प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाते हैं. Blood pressure usually goes up from a later age, though it's happening. So now what used to happen in 80 used to happen in 60, now it's happening in 40. You hear of young children dying of heart attacks. Why? Because they think एक तो उनके स्ट्रेस बढ़े हैं, एक उनका लाइफस्टाइल बिल्कुल बेकार है, बाहर से खाना और कुछ नहीं, चलो let's order in. That is the problem. I say you order in but only on the weekend. Rest of the time you should be eating at home. So for all of us who are women who have looked after the whole family, it's time to make sure that you look after yourselves. So your regular checkups are important, your regular vaccinations. देखो अभी there is a vaccination Prevnar 20 that has come. Over the age of 60 हम बोलते हैं pneumonia का vaccine है. जिनको asthma है या who have diabetes or who have other ailments, हम बोलते हैं everyone should take it. एक ही सुई लगानी है ना, it gives you lifelong immunity. So these are newer, better vaccines now. पहले 5-5 साल में लगाना पड़ता था. अब फ्लू वैक्सीन है, हमको हर साल लगाना चाहिए. स्वाइन फ्लू होता है. Things which are similar to swine flu, all those are viral flus नहीं लगते हैं. So you know, people should look after themselves as prevention. Eat well, eat healthy, keep your mind steady. Make sure that you walk. जब चलने जाते हो अच्छा म्यूज़िक सुनो या कोई भजन सुनो या जो भी आपको पसंद है सुनो. Listen to podcasts, whatever. But that is your time. So you should go out a little. I know that you should go to the gym, पर मुझे लगता है एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे में जा रहे हो. So it's and everyone say pollution. अगर तो pollution उतनी होती है तो तुम्हारा जो noise pollution होता है, लोग आके जो breathe करते हैं गंदा मंदा, वो नहीं pollution होता. So what I'm trying to say is whatever suits you, do it. But diet, exercise, prevention, taking your vaccines, getting regular checkups, especially for us women, our mammograms, our bone density, because once we reach menopause, हमारे hormones नहीं इतने होते. So they are not protecting our hearts and our bones. So you must get this done. This is what you have to do to remain fit, and to make sure that you can do whatever you want to do till the day you finally have to go. बस तब तक के लिए ठीक रहना चाहिए. That's the only thing. किसी पे निर्भर नहीं होना चाहिए. That's very interesting, really. Okay.
So since last year, since I've started this passion project, House of Sudesi, advocating women to wear more saris. See,
Yes.
everybody, most of the people here are in saris, and they all had initial hiccups. You know, a blouse
Yeah.
nahi hai, ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai. So to advocate, I think it's not about the sales or how much I sell saris, but it's really to do with first
Everyone
start
should
wearing
start
it.
wearing it. I
First
know.
start wearing it. So that is something that I have been advocating, you know, and really nudging all my friends and my family and even the people at work that, you know, start wearing saris. Garima, I remember, we met in Gurgaon in her office, and we had client meetings, I mean, with her. So I visited her office some 2 or 3 times. Every time I visited, I would wear a sari, and every time she would meet me and say that, Preeti, next time I will wear a sari.
She's
Again, I
actually
would
wore
meet-
one. 3
again,
cheers
I
to
would-
that.
So,
Yes.
so finally I see Garima in a sari.
Yes.
And today, though I have met her a couple of times over the year for some other things also, but you know, this is a movement. This is time taking.
I know.
How would you advocate?
You know,
for-
I think it's very important to instill this into our girls. Now, my kids, when my daughter-in-law was coming into the home, so I got these special ones. You know, I was posted to Bhuj. वहाँ मैंने बहुत screen printing and block printing बहुत सीखा था वहाँ पे. Because I was just 22 and footloose, fancy free, क्या करो? So herringbone stitch सीखो, ये करो, वो करो. But that is when I realized that there's so much art in this. And I learned how to do macrame, and I learned how to paint, and you know, all the officers' wives used to be there. और तो कुछ करते नहीं थे. So I said, कुछ तो करो, मेरे को कुछ तो सिखाओ, kind of, you know. And you had the most beautiful silver there. But that is when I learned how to print. So I printed a lot of the saris for my daughter and my daughter-in-law. मैं हौस खास जाती वो मैदान घड़ी में they have a hodi where they do it. This friend of mine used to have a sari shop. She used to say, तू उधर जा और जो तूने करना है कर. So I used to buy these saris and I would print them myself. So that is what interested my daughter-in-law to wear them. That they looked different. She said, every time I wear a sari, it looks different from what anyone else wears. वो बोलते हैं इसमें इधर कैसे प्रिंट, ऐसे पल्लू तो पीछे चला जाता है, दिखता तो ये है ना, तो इधर प्रिंट करते हैं, बाकी पीछे हम zigzag कुछ लगा देंगे. So what I'm just saying is that they have learned to wear saris, my daughter and my daughter-in-law. I said twice a week, both of you have to wear saris. Once you start wearing them, you'll be comfortable enough to wear them. नहीं तो लगता है, oh mama, it's so easy to just wear a trouser or just wear a dress. मैं कहती थी फ्रॉक पहन के जा रही हो, mama, it's not a frock, it's called a dress. मैंने कहा, it looks like a frock to me. But you know what I'm saying is that I think you have to sort of, then they saw me wearing a sari all the time, then she would say, Acha, teach me how to wear a sari. So while my daughter-in-law was here, twice a week we used to go out, and I said, we are only going out in saris. So she learnt the hang of wearing a sari. फिर उसको अब now she tells me, अच्छा, but she won't wear only hers. She opens my cupboard and says, मेरे को 1, 2, 3, ये 5 मैं ले जा रही हूँ. And she lives in Goa. So she says, for me, I'm like one amazing creature who wears saris in Goa. वहाँ तो वो सिर्फ shorts और ये छोटे से कपड़े पहन के घूमते फिरते रहते हैं. I said, never mind. Whenever you're going out, wear a sari. It just makes you look special. So I think that to make you feel it's a special garment, not only when you're going out, but even otherwise. मैं कहती हूँ घर में हम लोग बैठते हैं. Why can't we feel good, you know, even when you're at home?
Yeah.
Why do you have to only dress for somebody else? Dress for yourself.
Absolutely.
Even when I'm wearing my kurtis, I'll wear some pretty, you know, when you gave me this, I found this. And everyone looked at me at home and said, ये तो बड़ा मैच होके जा रही हो. मैंने कहा है तो पहनूंगी, क्यों नहीं पहनूंगी? I mean, I could have just worn plain gold and come. But in the sense that find a little bit of interest. These are not expensive. These are all bakwas which I buy off the rack because all your gold is stuffed into the locker. So I'm just saying that, you know, you should feel good. Basically feel good. So saris are one thing, I think, wherever you go, whenever, and I'm working from 8 to 8. So मैं ऐसे ही बस पिन करके जाती हूँ. So everybody says तेरी साड़ी टच से मस नहीं होती. मैं कहती हूँ मैं उसको ऐसे ही रखती हूँ and then I walk straight and walk back. So I think once you get used to wearing a sari, you automatically wear it like this. So I advocate it very highly in my family. कि सब पहना करो please. Now Suruchi's friend, my daughter-in-law's friends, when they get together twice in a month, it's sari day. this is what she has learned from me and advocated. Right? She says everyone
How
will wear a
wonderful.
sari and come. So
How
I'm very
wonderful.
happy about that.
How wonderful.
So that's how I do it.
I mean, I feel very grateful. This is something small for you, Geeta,
Oh gosh,
and
thank you. That's very
you can
sweet
open
of
and
you.
see also. It
What
is
is
something. I tried to be innovative. That's
You
all I
are.
can say.
Of
No,
course
but it
you
was
are.
wonderful.
Thank you
talking
so
to
much for listening to all my
and,
buck. I was just saying, कौन सुनेगा क्या बोलूँगी मैं?
Anybody who wants to say something here or add to what she said, ask her something. किसी के पास कुछ सवाल,
सवाल नहीं, मशवरा,
मशवरा.
not सवाल.
So you know the thing is,
Oh,
you have to secure your sari,
it
you
is.
have to secure your pleats, and you have to secure your happiness.
Thank you.
That is the message
Thank you.
on this woman's Mother's Day.
But you know, the first shot, I must tell you, it was so embarrassing because when I went to shoot for Tarun Telyani, there were these gorgeous. Pehle, I never knew where I was supposed to go. I only knew the photographer who I had met. He said, I'm going to do shoot with you. Come on such and such a date. I hadn't told anyone at home. मैंने कहा वो तो गला काट के रख देंगे कि तुम कहाँ जा रही हो. So when I reached there were these beautiful girls, handsome looking young boys. मैंने कहा यार मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? And then they all sat and they said, go there and get your makeup. So everyone was doing makeup. उसके कोई eyelashes बना रखे कुछ. पता नहीं क्या करेंगे. I sat in the corner. Then they said, अच्छा you also come. They did some pach and I go away. So I said, पता हो गया whatever. Then I went there and there was a place with real jewelry. I tell you, I have never seen so much diamond and rubies and emeralds in my life. And everyone was wearing these. वो लिख रहा था so and so model, so and so, so and so. Then he looked at me and this fat man came. Who? Tarun Telyani. I didn't know who he was. He came and he said, अच्छा इसको ना ये इधर पहना दो. इसकी she has a long neck. इसको थोड़ा यहाँ पे पहना. अच्छा इधर कर. बड़े earrings दे दो. I said, who the hell is this man? You know. Anyway, they kept on putting. I said, I've never been worth so much in my life जितना मैं अभी हूँ. Then we went आगे and I finally saw the photographer. पहले तो I went and did जप्पी to him. I said, शुक्र है कोई तो दिखा है. No. Then he said, go and sit over there. So I quietly sat over there. And so I was supposed to be the begum in it. So they had crimped my head like my nani used to do. वो नहीं पहनते थे वो. They used to make the chimties like that. तो ऐसे वाले बाल and I'm sitting there. And that time I'm telling you ये blouse की कहानी. I looked at this blouse and said it won't fit me. So this fat man came and said cut it from the back. तनिया लगा दो इसको. I said what about my undergarments? I can talk to you children because I am just the way I am now. And he said take them off. I looked at him and said, are you mad? I mean, you know, for a simple person who had never been exposed to something like this. Sure enough, they cut it from the back and they did this. I'm taking my sari like this. कि पीछे से कुछ दिख तो नहीं रहा. Oh God. Finally we sat. Then this photographer, he said, my light is going, my light is... Okay, now it's correct light. You know, he must have taken 500 photographs for that one photograph. So I want to tell you that modeling is not an easy thing. They take 10 takes, 15 takes, 30 takes for that same smile. Now I want this angle. Smile. Now I want this angle. Sometimes you say, what the hell is wrong with you? Come on, move it, yaar. I have to go home. I have to catch a bus or whatever. Yeah. Nothing. So you're standing over there for that one photo which you look and say, ठीक है, ऐसे ही लग रही है. But what has gone into that? Only the models know. 2 days ago, I shot at 4:30 in the morning. I had to go because they wanted early morning light. We went to the Aravali, the river, and from 5:30 till 9 we shot. 9:30 जब तक धूप निकल रही है, पसीने तर हो रहे हैं, तो हम बड़ा स्माइल करके ऐसे बैठे हैं. I'm just saying that, you know, people think that oh, models are so much fun they have. It's not fun. I'm telling you, it's fun because I enjoy it. I just love everything I do, and I'm grateful to God that I've done what I have. But models are not all just about fun and games. They look beautiful, but that's because one, they are made to look beautiful. The second thing is because they work bloody hard to reach over there. And like you said, there's only that much time that you can. Everyone wants a 25 to 30, a 14 to a 17. Baby models. Now you're getting babies. Now you're getting adults. Now you're getting. So I've from mother, I've become grandmother, nani, dadi, masi, great grandmother. Anything you make me, I'll hold a lamp also and start there if you want. But in the sense that time has flown, so it's just fun. So I hope all of you have a beautiful life. Really enjoy what you have. It never comes back. I always say this moment will never come back. I'll never have the opportunity to meet so many people who are actually listening to me.
I think I really had a time of my life today because
all this.
You know, I've done a small, I'm one grey blob. ये Konkana Sen is coming with a serial called Khoya Mahal. उसमें they said, you know, you have a speaking part. 3 सेकंड की बात मैंने करनी है, पर स्पीकिंग रोल है, वो भी काट मुड़ रही है, पता नहीं वो 1 सेकंड रहेगा. हाँ जी. We used to stay first in near Lakkad Mazar. So I used to go to Auckland House. Within 3 months, they changed me to Loreto Convent because my mother said she should be educated well. The nuns had to teach her how to behave herself and be a good lady girl, you know, so whatever. Then she used to teach in St. Edward's School. So we stayed in the school premises because my father had passed away. My brothers are much older than me. They had gone to colleges, to IITs and IIMs and the brains. मैंने कहा जाओ मुक करो, but I am not doing anything. And so I grew up over there with Mama in the teacher's cottage. And I remember my mother used to earn 300 rupees, which I learnt when I went to college. And she used to take 8-10 tuitions to put me through school and college. So I feel what she did for me. She used to say, I have 3 sons. I'll never think of you as a daughter. So तूने जो करना है तो कर, क्योंकि तूने सुनना तो है नहीं. So you might as well do what you do, at least you'll do it well. So I think that was a very good attitude to take for most of your children who don't listen to you. They will only do well if they're doing what they enjoy doing, which unfortunately you can't sometimes now. I know I've taken all your time,
No,
I'm sorry.
I think now I will take some of your time also.
Tell me.
Yes, handbags. I am good. These are also houses.
Lovely. Okay.
So they are advocates. They are my
Fabulous,
supporters.
fabulous.
And
I'm so glad somebody's actually getting together to do this, you know.
Yeah.
Because I think more in the youngsters are sort of finding it a little difficult कि क्या पहने, काम पे जाएं, कि साड़ी समेटें, इधर लगाएं. So I've taught my daughter-in-law how to do this, you know, it stays the same way.
So it doesn't need to stay the same way because now we have Preeti Gupta. She's a very dear friend.
Come,
And
let's see.
I would like her to
Maybe I can
please
sit
come
Piche.
here.
Yeah, come and sit here.
So she is an ardent sari lover and she's my very big supporter. So what is unique about my conversation with her was that she spoke to me not just about sari draping or different styles, but from an angle of sustainability. She said, "इतने कपड़े खरीदने क्यों हैं? When you can buy one sari and drape it in different styles for different occasions, why do you need to buy so many saris?" Which is also a point, you know, at the end of the day. And when I first met her, she said, "Preeti, I get a sari and I try in my mind what and how I can wear it or drape it, and I don't repeat that style again on the other sari." And yes.
No, there is, I guess, only 1 or 2 pins, no pins, just knots.
So she's wearing
Knots, and there is no blouse. I just have draped something inside.
She's wearing a House of Sudesi Banarsi sari with a cotton Banarsi with a blend of tissue in it, and a lot of people in the would come back and say to me ki we don't wear organza, we don't wear tissue, we don't wear things that are see-through and transparent and all of that. But even they said the same thing for Chanderi. I'm wearing the Chanderi and I love Chanderi. You're wearing a Maheshwari. You're wearing a Maheshwari, yes. So over to you, Preeti. And I'm really looking forward to this unique styles. Yeah.
Hello everyone. First of all, thanks a lot to Preeti for giving me this opportunity. So to spread, because whenever I look at saris, so this love started from like I have to have at least 100 saris. I got that. Now I was like 100 saris, being female, एक साड़ी में एक फोटो हो गई, अब क्या करें? वो तो नहीं पॉसिबल है, सारी फोटोज इंस्टाग्राम पे एक ही साड़ी में जाएंगी. Then I got into that. I watched Pinterest, YouTube videos and all. That okay, let's try different drapes. Blouses, try it with t-shirt, try it with shirts, blouses, and I don't even remember when was the last time I got a blouse stitched. So जो है उसी के साथ either do mix match or go with t-shirts or tops or anything. And I try a few styles I'll show. So sari, I feel the best part about sari is not restricted to one drape. You can go with our different state wise or different, like whether you want to wear it for casual occasions, office or party mein gown, you can do everything. But but I feel lacking is confidence. So abhi bhi when I go to office, I wear such kind of drapes. एंड कभी भी कहीं से कोई आके ड्रेप बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एक बार घूम के दिखाओ कैसे किया है, नहीं समझ में आया, बट वो कॉन्फिडेंस स्टिल पीपल कम एंड से कि पता यू कैन ओनली वियर दिस, वी कांट, एंड आई टेल एवरीवन एक बार लगेगा, वन टाइम यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट एंड व्हेन समवन कम्स एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ना, नेक्स्ट टाइम यू गेट कॉन्फिडेंस. मीन्स आई स्टार्टेड व्हेन पीपल यूज्ड टू से ये क्या कार्टून बन गया, और टू दिस डे व्हेन पीपल कम एंड से यू आर लुकिंग सो प्रिटी. एयरपोर्ट आई रियली व्हेनेवर आई गो टू एयरपोर्ट आई मेक इट श्योर कि साड़ी पहनना है. लास्ट वीक आई वेंट मॉर्निंग 4 o'clock आई हैड टू लीव, स्टिल आई वोर साड़ी. क्यों? दैट इज़ वन प्लेस कोई ना कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट जरूर देता है, बीट एयर होस्टेस और वहाँ एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट फिक्स. इट फील्स सो गुड. मैसेजिंग भी है, सो इट इज़ लाइक वेन एवर समवन गिव्स मी कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड कैसे क्या, दिस इज़ वेरी ईजी, बहुत आराम से हो जाएगा. एंड बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ कि नहीं है कि प्लीट्स होगा ये होगा. आज सुबह ही मैं 10 किलोमीटर का रन करके आई हूँ साड़ी में. आई डिड साड़ी रन मदर्स डे के लिए. तो एवरीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल, थोड़ा सा कहीं से करके. एंड वो भी नहीं है इसमें कि ये परफेक्ट होना है, परफेक्ट कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ से नहीं हो रहा है उठा के यहाँ पे लपेट लिया, ये नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ एक नॉट लगा दिया. सो वो परफेक्शन वाला कुछ नहीं है कि प्लीट्स परफेक्ट होना चाहिए. ऊपर साड़ी पहना था, आई कुडंट रन बिकॉज वो पेटीकोट वॉज गेटिंग स्ट्रक. उठाया यहाँ पे किया, इट बिकेम स्कर्ट, आई एम डूइंग माई रनिंग. जब फोटो खींचेगा तो मैं नीचे कर लूँगी. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई लव अबाउट साड़ी. आई शुड
Yeah, sure.
I'll show a few drapes.
Yeah. Which one you want to
Which
go?
one? I'll start with this one. This is the easiest, obviously.
I think
Preeti, you are slim, you can manage.
No, ma'am. No. So yes, this is one misconception. We feel that कि मैं slim हूँ इसलिए I can manage. I'll tell you the influencers I follow. So I won't claim any drape is mine. I watch videos, I watch Pinterest, and I take that inspiration. Today's drape, the influencer I follow, she is 50 plus, and at 51 she started draping these different styles and all. So wo, and some they are very healthy also. It's all that I said na, confidence. मतलब ये मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने बोला है कि you are slim trim, that's why you do it. It's not about your health. There are different drapes. एक बार ही करो, everything looks good.
manage
Put
the
blazer वो एक
pleats,
होता है,
the top pleats of the
टॉप
saree.
प्लीट्स. देन
Yeah.
कि वो पल्लू ब्लेजर के नीचे से निकालो तो भी बेकार लगता है, ऊपर से निकालो तो भी इट लुक्स वेरी
Yeah.
मीन्स आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट लाइक इट कि वो ब्लेजर के नीचे से आधा दिख रहा है. तो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द ड्रेप्स ब्लेजर के साथ में आई डू इन माई ऑफिस. लेट मी गेट माई
Sure.
साड़ी.
And try to do that, to
You
incorporate
can do
that
your
in your
own adjustments. पल्लू छोटा
Right.
रखना है, बड़ा रखना है, पिन कहीं पे लगाना है, प्लीट 2 करना है, 4 करना है.
Yeah.
It's all up to you. And the sari I'm wearing, this is my mother-in-law's almost 40 years old sari. She gave it to me on Diwali. Throw it away, I don't like it. Give it to someone. And she gave me 6 such saris, and 5 I just kept with myself. नहीं, I'll wear it.
So what she's given is probably
Actually, one is the old Banarsi sari, like she must have wore on her wedding like 45-50 years back. And कैसे आप सोच भी सकते हो इसको फेंकने का? She's my mother.
Mother.
Yes.
Hello, auntie.
ये हमेशा से ऐसी है. Yes, I have to tell you a very happy thought that my daughter got married in my wedding saree.
Oh wow,
And
that
my
is.
son's wedding, she wore my reception saree. She said, I don't want new sarees.
And
So I
the
think that is something which is.
and the love and connection, it's not connect.
You
It's
were
the
so happy in your marriage, so will I. That's really one way of looking.
Yeah.
It was a red Banarsi with gold.
So, I don't know with this already. So simple. I'll go to the pallu thing. So you don't even need petticoat if you don't want. Just shorts. At times I wear sari with shorts only to my office.
This is one thing good, na? When you're used to wearing sari, वो जब अपन model बनाते हैं, I get to sari यहाँ पे.
अपने आप. Actually,
For example, पल्लू कितना लंबा समय से मुझे बता.
Right.
it happens with me when I go to buy sarees. वो जो trial में हट जाओ. I'll do it myself. And this sari story, I'll tell you, I got it. I have joined a group, old group, that sustainable living. So when someone gives away and this, so this is sari I got from a lady. She was giving away her old clothes.
Okay.
So this is some silk, and this is so pretty. The fabric, everything, soft.
Actually, there's a polyester then most clothes. So that takes away from but you know, for working women, like हमारी problem क्या होती है?
So you just make it, and it's up to you. You can keep it direct like this,
Okay.
and if you want, make it like this and this scarf style, and put your blazer, and it looks really very classy. Belt, even if you want belt, you can. You don't want, you leave. It's up to you. Winters में if you don't want to remove, you. मैं winters में I go without blouse. Seriously. So this is the drape I have done.
Okay.
And
So
belt
like a scarf.
you can.
हाँ. नहीं, कहने का मतलब है कि आप साड़ी का पल्लू पीछे ना करो,
पीछे ना
आप टर्न अराउंड करके टेक इट एज अ स्कार्फ.
Yes. The scarf. We put it simply like this. That's we do. So this is like if you want short, यहाँ पे ना it gives that air horse and a scarf look, and yeah, you can put your belt on this. It looks very pretty. Belt. If you remove the blazer, then also if you're wearing blouse, it doesn't look bad. See.
So
You can
wear
put a
black
belt
skivvy.
on this, like I'll put another belt.
So you can wear a black skivvy or
Skivvy.
any skivvy.
Yes.
Or a high neck.
High neck skivvies, you put a belt, it looks very pretty. Belt is something, it enhances the beauty of every day. So, जहाँ पे मेरे को लगता है I'm not able to manage this पल्लू और कुछ निकल रहा है, सब अंदर लपेटो और बेल्ट लगा. I do it with my dresses also. जो ड्रेस थोड़ा लूज है, कुछ भी है, एक बेल्ट. It fixes everything. So this one is done.
Here, try this. So Garma, I was telling her when she came like this, every drape is a name or she takes a picture whenever she drapes in a new style. I said you call it triple S.
Guess what?
Now you guess what
She
it is.
introduced the name. Now guess that.
For this drape, I call it triple S.
She is calling it triple S.
What is triple S?
Triple S. S.
Sexy smart, so दो हो गया. Third
I didn't expect those compliments.
Any other? Anybody else?
Triple S strip. Preeti has given that name.
Triple S.
Triple S.
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 Style.
Shimla. S for Shimla.
S for Simla.
Three S.
Sassy, sweet.
No one will get
Nobody will
there.
get it. So I call it, this is a Satyam Shivam Sundaram style.
Because it doesn't have that blouse.
This is Satyam Shivam Sundaram style.
So next is, this is jumpsuit I made from sari. I wore it to my office Women's Day party. So this is, let's start it. Both the ends. Pallu and bottom. Let me do it again. This.
This is the cutting and
Okay, this you cannot follow that easily on Instagram. So because she's here, she's telling you how to.
You are the only one who can wear sari over a sari. Look like this. One sari.
I didn't know I'll be able to manage it or not. Sari on sari. This is one side. Then you take another. Crisscross.
Yes. Two ends go on the two shoulders.
Again blouse.
This is Roman style.
No, see, you are wearing sleeveless. If you wear it like this, your sleeves will be covered. It will look like.
No, so it's not about that for me. So it's the size of the upper half of the body. So
me to dare to go blouseless is impossible.
You can
carry it on. Don't worry.
you can wear those tubes and all. एक अपने कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए you can wear tubes. You don't feel like I'm not wearing. इसके नीचे I'm wearing जो साड़ी का
I'm not
ब्लाउज.
able to wear those also. I tried once
Okay.
and I couldn't even go to the loo when I was wearing that because I was so scared that it would just fall off.
Today I was wearing. She had the same question. ये रुकेगा कैसे नीचे उतर गया तो मैंने कहा नहीं उतरेगा. मैं पिन अप किया. तो ये पीछे पूरा. You take it out from under. Yeah, it will be like dhoti. And now you collect it like this. A choker or neck piece. And put it around. So no, I'll tell you वो होगा सब कुछ. You manage this because ये यहाँ पे अभी you will feel कि सब कुछ दिख रहा है kind of. We manage this.
So there's something called the tulip salwars, if you know.
Yes.
Tulip style.
I
इसमें भी ऐसा ही होता है कि side से everything is showing.
I wear
People
shorts.
started wearing tulip salwars.
I wear shorts. This is कौन? यहाँ पे you can pin up. ये इसके ऊपर से करके यहाँ one pin and यहाँ one. And washroom main question people. That I was about to tell you.
फिर तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा.
Jumpsuit problem.
Then you open one pin.
No, nothing. You just collect it from here, side से पूरा इकट्ठा हो जाता है, and then you go. So when I'm wearing this dress to office, I have to make out. So I went for bike ride in this sari. Someone asked me, now what about washroom? वो जो महाराष्ट्रियन स्टाइल में, देखा वो मैंने मेकआउट किया हुआ है. साइड से ऐसे इकट्ठा करो and you can do it. Yes. So this
So
is.
basically, you just need to get a hang of it, and you need to go home and try
So you-
with your sari.
And even if you feel that it's not difficult, you just bring out your choker.
हाँ.
यहाँ से इसको नीचे निकालो because कोई पिन नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है.
Right.
तो you just remove it and it's done. Yes. Means someone told me साड़ी में मैंने this is still better than the original jumpsuit. You don't have to remove the complete outfit.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Jumpsuit
this is still better than that jumpsuit.
Dread the fact that you have to do it.
I'll do this. Anyone wants to come volunteer? क्योंकि I'm already
Okay. Any volunteer?
any volunteer or
Wants to come
I'll have to
work
go.
साड़ी on साड़ी अगर
हाँ, obviously, yes.
be the model. At least hair.
Sure. In fact, I should ask everyone here who wants to be the next HOS model.
Absolutely.
For House of Sudesi, who wants to model? I mean, we can have a fashion show. Yeah, I know.
Sadly, I was like, entire 3 hours I was shouting the same thing. Model bana lo, model bana lo.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you have to wear it first.
वो नहीं होगा, don't worry.
You want me to wear this?
Yes. लो ऊपर से पहन लो. So this was my first trip. After which I started doing these experiments. I had to go to my friend's wedding, Lansdowne. नहीं.
I'm just saying that.
Lansdowne, and there was cocktail party. I didn't have any dress to wear in the cocktail party. Then I just experimented. I searched a lot. I found that after that I get the confidence कि और कुछ भी किया जा सकता है. And it was like 3 years back.
Dharma, you're fitting in her size. I'm
And I was
so
about
glad
say
to
that
see you that way.
look at my size, that I don't need to tie this. No, it's already fitting.
It's okay.
It's about the point of view.
थोड़ा सा राइट बिकॉज मुझे प्लेट्स बनाना है.
No, but some drapes really change the entire look. They're not sari or you just make
So
it
you
look like a
start
gown or
making
a
those
dress or
pleats like
something
आप जैसे
very-
लहंगा में करते हैं ना. ऐसे करके a bit broad, whatever you kind of you. For that नीचे गाउन वाला थोड़ा सा फ्लेयर के लिए
So it's like the can.
kind of can.
You're wearing like that.
So this skirt I bought, but this has always worked me for can.
because it
I
is
don't wear it.
very stiff material.
Yes.
And it sticks. Yeah.
But you know, it's come back, this can. Some of the shoots we did, those younger girls are wearing can.
Very, very wide.
We are making great.
I think it's like she
So you can turn around. Yes.
like she rightly said that it's all about confidence. It's about wearing something with confidence. You know, even a lot of people wear saris with leggings, slacks, churidars. They don't need
So
petticoats.
here you go.
There's in the t-shirts.
ये पूरा you make a circle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shirt की बात.
Now you take this part पीछे से लाके and just tie it here at the back.
So that your back is actually covered.
Your
this
back
way.
is covered. थोड़ा सा. This. Do we have a safety pin? Just
You
hold
want?
it. No, it's done. And if you feel that knot के साथ में थोड़ा सा कई बारी रिस्क लगता है खुल ना जाए, you can use safety pin. And here it comes like this. You pin up and you put a belt and this is done. No cuts, no pins, not मतलब यहाँ पे you can
जल्दी से खींचो कितनी सुंदर लगती है.
मोटी.
So
See, this is all here. Maybe I feel.
Like I said, you must wear what you enjoy.
Yeah.
That's the main.
see now you're looking like
Maybe the other arm of your business, you ready to wear हमें ये वाला ड्रिप चाहिए, वो वाला ड्रिप चाहिए.
so especially
No,
for the younger
generally
ones.
you don't need blouse, or you can just wear a tube, or if you want
Double party.
back it's like this.
So the next fashion
Well,
show we are going to have of House of Sudesi will not be like the normal sari. She will come and she will style everybody. No, she is going to drape everybody's saris.
प्रीति एक ग्रीन रूम रख देना, सब लोग अपना करके फैशन शो.
हाँ हम साड़ी के ऊपर और साड़ी
Fashion
पहन
show
के भी आना
So the whole point of having a fashion show is to look fashionable, and it has to not just be the clothes; it has to be the style. So you're killing it, Garma. Fantastic.
With aplomb belly.
And I will tell you one thing.
Yes, that sari one complimentary. Anyone who wants to try.
Okay, then
Next blue one.
yeah, I'll just open it.
The easiest drape. It takes hardly means I would say 2-3 minutes.
Would you like to come, Amita? For this one?
अमिता की बिल्कुल फिट है बॉडी. आ जाओ
आ जाओ, आ जाओ.
आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ.
You know, I just want to say that we all think this is very difficult because when we see it on Instagram or Pinterest, you know, because obviously it's very difficult to follow the steps. Even for that matter, Dolly Jen, when she is making your drapes and saris, she is actually using a sui dhaga.
Yes, you can.
It is not that simple. अगर आपको लगता है डॉली जेन बहुत जल्दी साड़ी बांध देती है, प्लीट्स कर देती है, लगा भी देती है, and it looks fantastic. She's always carrying a sui dhaga.
Yes,
to,
yes.
To stitch
Make
your
it look
sari.
like perfect.
She will stitch your sari. The pleats. Yeah. But what I'm saying is she is. So it is not just safety pins. So
So you can make your pleats. So you have made your pleats. Now put these pleats in a bangle. Tuck your pleats in. You can pin up your pleats यहाँ पे करके. If you feel that these will come out, यहाँ पे you can pin up. Now take it. Put this entire sari out from this bangle. Back it like this. तो इसको you have to make it a bit broader. It will cover your hips. If you are wearing some see-through sari or something, I just वो छोटा रह गया. You take it out from this again, and यहाँ से पीछे से you let me do it again. थोड़ा छोटा रह गया. I guess 3 pleats are enough.
I love that everyone knows how to do their pleats, how to do this. We're all sari wearers.
So we put this, tuck it in. Yes, no pains
You don't have
required.
to go to a parlor wali to help you with the sari if you know these simple drapes. Is what I'm saying.
You
Then you will
take
not
out
be worried
from
about
this
pleats.
bangle. Yes, from this bangle. वहाँ पे you can pin up because if you feel कि वहाँ से निकल जाएगा. Yes. Yes. You did this. Yes. Now you take just fold it a bit to cover your hips. So थोड़ा सा बैठने में पीछे से it looks very pretty. जो यहाँ से this comes ना. Now again you take it out again from this bangle. And here it comes again, maybe यहाँ से like this, and थोड़ा सा लंबा रख के जैसे मेरे साथ होता है, like this साड़ी was a bit longer, you यहाँ तक you can leave it and you wear your belt again. Mat means my drapes don't go without belts.
अमिता एक फोटो ले लो.
So one bangle, just one safety pin here to hold your pleats. No safety pins required.
अरे आप तो क्रिएटर के साथ फोटो इनके साथ फोटो इनके साथ लो. अच्छा 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 तीनों.
Yes, the one who is giving us that opportunity.
Thank you so much. Now
This I say easiest way when I feel like कुछ तो पहन के जाना है and I don't have time. I don't want to think. ये करके चलते हैं. This and one I have single pleat sari. So this is a bit single pleat, just a single pleat and a bit upper side. When you want to wear sari with sneakers or something, you just put. I'll show you.
come out with a range of sneakers for her Kanchipuram sarees.
So I'll do it myself. So this is.
But वो ना कभी-कभी live shows में she'll get very emotional. अब I don't know, is that a strategy or it's not a strategy?
So
Yeah.
this you just measure one this. Leave it.
This is single pleat.
I'll make the pleat later. The easiest trick. A bit broader pleats. This pallu. Easiest one.
But Preeti, tell me something. I have also seen videos on Instagram where people are making pleats at the back, not
Yes.
in the front. How do they walk?
This is very easy. I have done. Means I have gone to weddings wearing sari with
How
that
do you
pleats.
walk if your pleats are at the back and not in the front?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Pleats because you are getting that space to
Space
move
to
your
move.
leg.
Yes.
So वो चाहे पीछे हो चाहे आगे हो, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Preeti.
Thanks
This
a lot.
I'm saying हम लोग उठ के जो पहन रखा है बस चले जाते हैं कि भाई आज मंगलवार है, आज
special feel
शनिवार
आता
है.
है. Means I
We
have
just-
felt it whenever
yeah.
we wear sari when it comes to puja, nothing comes to my mind like sari. And whenever the moment you start draping it, na, you feel that special moment is there. Otherwise, it's like an outfit कि कुछ भी पहन लिया. But the moment you start draping sari, it feels okay. कुछ तो special है, कहीं जा रहे हैं या पूजा पाठ है.
And one more thing that happens even when you're sitting in a puja, because you have to cover your head in some pujas, you don't wear a sari क्योंकि pin लगा हुआ है तो वो कैसे आप लोगे? You can always carry an extra dupatta. Who's stopping you? So wear a sari, but you can carry one extra dupatta always. You know, so why should that stop you from wearing a sari for any puja? So on that note, thank you very much all of you for coming here and being a part of the Maiden Roundtable discussion as well as the workshop which we had with Preeti and Dr. Geeta Prakash. So keep supporting us. Thank you.